Hello, food lovers! Today, we're going to make a delicious, nutritious, and absolutely irresistible breakfast together. It's the perfect way to fuel your day while treating yourself to amazing flavors. So stay with me until the end, and let's create this tasty breakfast together. To get started, thoroughly wash the green onions and finely chop them to bring out their fresh, vibrant flavor. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl, then add the chopped green onions, some freshly chopped parsley, and a sprinkle of dried mint. Whisk everything together until the mixture is light, smooth, and perfectly combined. The more you whisk the eggs, the fluffier and more delicious your breakfast will be. Now it's time for the potatoes. Mash the boiled potatoes until they are completely smooth and creamy. The smoother the mash, the softer, fluffier, and more delicious your breakfast will be. Now, take 2 onions and finely chop them. Heat a generous drizzle of oil in a pan over medium heat. Then add the onions and sauté them slowly, stirring occasionally until they become soft, fragrant, and beautifully golden. Taking your time with this step will bring out their natural sweetness and add a rich, delicious flavor to the dish. Now it's time to prepare the colorful and aromatic bell peppers. We finely chop the bell peppers and add them to the golden, sautéed onions. Then, we gently stir-fry everything together until the peppers become slightly tender and release their sweet, delicious aroma. This vibrant combination adds incredible flavor and a beautiful touch of color to the dish, creating the perfect base for the next steps. Now it's time to add the wonderful aroma of garlic. Finely chop or grate 2 fresh garlic cloves and sauté them in hot oil until their beautiful fragrance is released. Then, add the golden and fragrant garlic to the prepared ingredients and gently mix everything together, allowing the garlic flavor to blend perfectly with the other ingredients and add an amazing aroma to the dish. Now it's time to add the mashed potatoes. Spread the soft and creamy mashed potatoes evenly across the bottom of the pan using a spoon to create a smooth and uniform layer. This delicious golden layer creates the perfect base for the next steps and helps all the ingredients come together beautifully. Now it's time to prepare the tomatoes. Carefully slice the fresh, vibrant tomatoes into even rounds, getting them ready for the next step. These beautiful tomato slices not only add an appealing look to the dish, but also bring a fresh flavor and a delicate texture to it. Now it's time to prepare the eggs. Place the eggs in a pot of water and let them boil until they are fully cooked and firm. Once cooked, prepare them for the next step, where they will be added to the dish and bring extra flavor and a beautiful appearance. Mix the mozzarella cheese with the boiled eggs and fresh green onions until you have a delicious and well-combined mixture. Then, add the sautéed onions and bell peppers to the mixture and gently combine all the ingredients, allowing the flavors of the vegetables, cheese, and eggs to blend perfectly together, creating a delicious filling for the next step. Carefully pour the prepared mixture over the soft and creamy mashed potato layer, then gently spread it with a spoon to cover the entire surface, allowing all the flavors to come together beautifully. Next, arrange the fresh and colorful tomato slices one by one on top, adding not only a refreshing taste, but also a more attractive and appetizing appearance to the dish. Finally, cut the boiled eggs in half and place them neatly over the mixture to complete this beautiful and flavorful combination. The creamy mashed potatoes, melted mozzarella cheese, aromatic vegetables, and delicious boiled eggs are now perfectly layered and ready to become an incredible dish in the next step. After arranging the tomatoes and boiled eggs and covering them with mozzarella cheese, sprinkle some paprika and black pepper on top to add an amazing aroma and flavor to the dish. Then, place the pan over low heat and let the ingredients gently warm up and blend together. During this step, the mozzarella cheese melts and creates a delicious, stretchy layer, allowing all the flavors to combine into a perfectly harmonious, fragrant, and appetizing dish. Now our delicious and beautiful Russian breakfast is ready. This colorful and delightful combination of creamy mashed potatoes, melted mozzarella cheese, aromatic vegetables, fresh tomatoes, and flavorful boiled eggs creates a unique and wonderful breakfast experience. The amazing aroma and beautiful appearance of this dish make it the perfect choice for starting an energetic day. I hope you enjoyed this delicious and amazing recipe. Be sure to try making this unique and delightful breakfast at home and enjoy this wonderful combination of flavors with your loved ones. There is nothing more enjoyable than sharing a warm and flavorful breakfast with your family. Enjoy! And I hope this recipe brings you and your family many happy and memorable moments.